Here's a few things you need to hear as to why you might be struggling with your affiliate marketing business. So you don't want to miss out on this video. Hello, I'm Jason Hopkins. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure to hit that bell notification so you can receive more future content that I provide. So if you're an affiliate marketer and you're having trouble to get that first online commission, well, it's not because you don't know how to market. It's because you haven't learned the basic fundamentals, the core fundamentals of how you can market and why it's important to learn marketing. Listen, I've been where you are right now, and I struggled because I was doing it all alone. It left me with overwhelm and frustration, not knowing what to do. And knowing what I know now that I didn't know back then, back in 2015, I probably would have ended up giving up affiliate marketing. So you want to, like you start out thinking that affiliate marketing is easy, but you have no understanding on what it takes for you to build an affiliate business. So I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you might be having trouble building. So now the first thing could be the lack of self-belief, right? You always, first and foremost, you must always believe in yourself and also your product before anyone else will believe in it too. And most people would start off dealing with a mindset issue. So the best thing for that is you work on yourself. You want to find the right personal development books and just read a chapter every day. Or you can even find things on YouTube that will inspire you to keep moving towards your goal. So the second thing is you probably didn't hire a coach or a mentor. This is extremely important. If you want to be successful in this business, it's not enough to just you reading books or watching videos. You need someone who has been where you are right now that can show you step by step on how to get there. So you want to implement and you want to execute after you have learned from your coaches and then your mentors. Now the final thing is you haven't invested in paid traffic. Now paid traffic, yes, it does cost. Yes, it's expensive, and it's a hit or miss. But if you want that first commission, it's going to cost you money. Now, as my mentors would say, free is sometimes the most expensive option. Free is going to get you towards your results slowly, but if you learn things like solo ads and banner ads, which is something that I use personally, you're going to start seeing more traffic coming in much faster, and you could possibly make your very first online commission. If you can't let money go, how can you possibly grow? Well, that wraps this up. If you got any value from this video, give this a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below this video. And if you want to know my #1 recommended program, you want to click the link below this video where you'll be directed to a page where you're going to put your name and your email. I'm Jason Hopkins. Thanks for stopping by, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.